Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan blade in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. If still intact, pull the old fan blade off of the condenser motor shaft. Install the new condenser fan blade by aligning it on the motor shaft, then push until it is fully seated. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.